All right, you guys. I've been getting a lot of requests on the Snapchat filter, on the twisted tongue filter. So here we go. Start out by downloading Snapchat. Then I just download this one because I couldn't screen record on the other phone. Then we're gonna go ahead and find the twisted tongue app. Here we go. So you guys, a lot of people been saying that they don't know how to do it without taking a video. You see that I'm on here now. I'm on here now, and you have to just press. You have to press and hold. It's a tap to take the photo, hold to take a video. So I think you guys are not holding a video. So I'm gonna go and hold and take the video. See, it's a drag left, go hands free, but I'm gonna stay hands free. I'm making a video, so I hope this helps some of you guys out there. This is a Snapchat tongue twisted filter. It's funny as shit. All right, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. You will not be disappointed.